Welcome back. Here are some facts about the Meghalaya Board of School Education. It was established in the year September 25, 1973. Its role is to conduct examination, frame syllabus, and evaluation and certification of SSLC and HSSLC exams. Its headquarters is located in Tura, West Garo Hills District. It was inaugurated by the first Chief Minister of Meghalaya, late Captain W. A. Sangama, on the October 19, 1973. Now, let's see some important questions. 1. Who was the first chairperson of MBOSE? The first chairperson was Shri Uma Kanasarma, from the year 1973 to 1975. 2. What is the Meghalaya Board of School Education? It is a state-level educational board in Meghalaya to oversee and regulate education in the state. Its functions are as follows. 1. Curriculum development, prescribes curricula for schools. 2. Conduct examinations, conducts annual examinations, students of classes 10 and 12. 3. Issuance of certificates, issues pass certificates and mark sheets. 4. Affiliations of schools. The board affiliates schools in the state, ensuring they meet the certain standards and criteria. 4. Who is the current Education Minister of Meghalaya? The current Education Minister is the Honorable Shri Rakam A. Sangama. 5. Who inaugurated MBOSE? It was inaugurated by the late and Honorable Shri Captain W. A. Sangama on October 19, 1973 at the State Central Library, Auditorium, Shillong. 6. Where is the headquarters of MBOSE? The headquarters of MBOSE is located at Array Mile, Tura, West Garo Hill District. 7. When was the Meghalaya Board of School Education Act, 1973 passed? It was passed on the year April 21, 1973. 8. MBOSE also has a regional office. Where is it located? The regional office is located in Shillong, East Khasi Hills. 9. According to a study by the State Education Department, how many schools are there in the state? The state has reported 14,582 schools, which is disproportionately large when its population of 29,66,889 is taken into account according to the census of the year 2011. 10. What is the pass percentage of the SSLC exams 2025 in Meghalaya? The pass percentage is 87.10% this year, which has increased a lot compared to the 55.8% of the year 2024. 11. Who is the chairman of the Meghalaya Board of School Education currently? Shri C.P. Marak, IFS, from September 1st, 2023 till date, but could have changed, and there is no information yet regarding that. 12. What is the URL or name of the portal for MBOSE examination results? The portal or URL name is www.megresults.nic.in, which is designed and hosted by the National Informatics Center. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like these. I will be adding more questions and answers relating to these exams.